Okay, our next topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First thing we have to understand what are complementary angles. If sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, for example A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then A and B are called complementary angles. So next thing we have to find is, are there any complementary angles in right triangle? Assume that this is a right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. You, you know that sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. Angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C is equal to 180 degrees. You know that angle B is 90, so angle A plus 90 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90. Therefore, these two angles are complementary angles. Initially, let us assume that angle A is equal to x degrees. Let angle A is equal to x. This implies angle C is equal to 90 minus x. This will be 90 minus x. Now let's write the trigonometric ratios. In this triangle, sin x will be equal to opposite side BC by hypotenuse AC. Cos x will be equal to adjacent side AB by hypotenuse AC. Tan x will be equal to opposite side BC by adjacent side AB. Cosecant x will be equal to hypotenuse AC by opposite side BC. Secant x will be equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side AB. Cot x will be equal to adjacent side AB by opposite side BC. And for angle 90 minus x, sin 90 minus x will be equal to opposite side AB by hypotenuse AC. AB by AC. Cos 90 minus x is equal to adjacent side BC by hypotenuse AC. Tan 90 minus x will be equal to opposite side AB by adjacent side BC. Now cosecant 90 minus x will be equal to hypotenuse AC by opposite side AB. Secant 90 minus x will be equal to adjacent side hypotenuse AC by adjacent side BC. Cot 90 minus x will be equal to adjacent side BC by opposite side AB. So now we got this trigonometric ratios. If you observe here, sin 90 minus x is AB by AC, which is equal to cos x. So this is equal to cos x, and this will be equal to cos 90 minus x is BC by AC, BC by AC, which is equal to sin x. Tan 90 minus x is AB by BC, which is equal to cot x. And cosecant 90 minus x is equal to AC by AB, which is equal to secant x. Secant 90 minus x is equal to AC by BC, which is equal to cosecant x. Cot 90 minus x is equal to BC by AB, which is equal to tan x. So from this you can write as sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. Cosecant 90 minus A is equal to secant A. Secant 90 minus A is equal to cosecant A. Cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. Now let's start solving examples. Example 8. Evaluate secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. So one thing you have to know is secant 55 degrees can be written as cosecant 90 minus 35 degrees. You know that cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta, which is equal to secant 35. So cosecant 55 is equal to secant 35. Therefore secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees is equal to 1. It's on ninth example. Cos 7a is equal to sin a minus 6, where 7a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. You know that cos 7a is equal to sin 90 minus 7a, which is equal to sin a minus 6. Therefore 90 minus 7a is equal to a minus 6. We send 6 to this side, we get 96 is equal to 8a. A is equal to 96 by 8, which is equal to 12. Question 10 question. Is sin A equal to cos B? Sin A is equal to cos B. Prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. You know that sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Therefore, which is equal to cos B. Therefore, 90 minus A is equal to B. We send A to this side, you get A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. 11th question. Express sin 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 5. 0 to 5. You have to express these angles in the range of 0 to 45 degrees. Therefore, implies sin 81 degrees can be written as cos 90 minus 81, which is equal to cos 9 degrees. Tan 81 degrees can be written as cot 90 minus 81, which is equal to cot 9 degrees. Therefore, sin 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees is equal to cos 9 degrees plus cot 9 degrees. 12th example. If ABC are angles of triangle ABC, show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. If ABC are angles of triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Implies sin, let's take LHS, sin B plus C by 2 is equal to sin of 180 minus angle A by 2. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. This will be equal to sin 90 minus angle A by 2. Therefore, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So is equal to cos angle A by 2. Now let's start doing exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3. First bit, first one. Evaluate tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees, which is equal to tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees is equal to cot of 90 minus 50. 36 is equal to 90 minus 54 by cot 54 degrees. So it is cot 90 minus 36. Cot 90 minus 36, which is equal to cot 54 degrees by cot 54 degrees, which is equal to 1. Second bit, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees, which is equal to cos 12 degrees can be written as sin 90 minus 12 minus sin 78, which is equal to sin 78 degrees minus sin 78 degrees, which is equal to 0. Third bit, cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Cosecant 31 can be written as secant 90 minus 31 minus secant 59 degrees, which is equal to secant 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees equal to 0. Fourth bit, sin 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees, which is equal to, you know that sin 15 degrees can be written as cos 90 minus 15 into secant 75 can be written as 1 by cos 75 degrees, which is equal to cos 75 degrees by cos 75 degrees, which is equal to 1. So fifth bit, tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. So this you can add. Tan 26 can be written as tan 19. So tan 26 can be written as cot 90 minus 26 into tan 64 can be written as 1 by cot 64, which is equal to cot 64 by cot 64, which is equal to 1. Next is second bit. Show that first one, tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to, so that is equal to 1. So now LHS is equal to tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. This tan 48 can be written as cot 90 minus 48 into tan 16 can be written as cot 90 minus 16. Let remaining to be as it is for tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Cot 90 minus 48 is cot 42 degrees into cot 90 minus 16 is 74 into tan 42 into tan 74. Cot 42 can be written as 1 by tan 42 into cot 74 is 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 42 into tan 74. You can cancel this and this. This should be equal to 1. Second bit, show that cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. Now LHS is equal to cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Cos 36 can be written as sin 90 minus 36 into cos 54 can be written as sin 90 minus 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54. Sin 90 minus 36 is sin 54. Sin 90 minus sin 36 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees, which is equal to 0. Let's solve third question. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is acute angle. 2a is less than 90, acute angle. Find the value of a. You know that tan 2a is cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. If you send 2a to this side and 18 this side, 90 plus 18 is 108 is equal to 3a. Therefore a is equal to 108 by 3, which is equal to 36. If fourth question, if tan a is equal to cot b, where a and b are acute angle, so that a plus b is equal to 90. Given tan a is equal to cot b, you know that tan a is cot 90 minus a, which is equal to cot b, implies 90 minus a is equal to b. Therefore, 90 is equal to a plus b. Fifth question. If ABC are the interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that tan a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. We know that in triangle ABC, ABC are interior angles of the triangle. Show that you know that in a triangle, angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So A plus B will be equal to 180 minus C. Now we are given tan A plus B by 2. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan of A plus B is 180 minus C by 2, which is equal to tan 90 minus C by 2. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, which is equal to cot C by 2. Hence proved. Sixth question. Express sin 75 cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios, angle between 0 to 45. Sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees, which is equal to sin 75 can be written as cos 90 minus 75 plus cos 65 can be written as sin 90 minus 65, which is cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus 75 is cos 15 degrees plus sin 90 minus 65 sin 25 degrees. Now we are done with exercise 3.